Hello, so today's video is about how to pronounce the phoneme G, which you can hear in the words go, big, game, gap. So how do we pronounce this sound? Well, first of all, you need to close your throat with your tongue at the back. So it's G, 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 and it's a voice sound, so you can feel your throat vibrate when you say it. So G, G, G. Try pronouncing these two words. Cap, put your cap on, and oh, mind the gap, which you'll hear on the London Tube. Can you hear the difference? Cap and gap. So some nationalities don't pronounce G hard enough, it's too soft, and other nationalities might pronounce it too hard. Try saying this sentence. Greg's green guitar glowed in the garden. If you liked this video, check out some of my other ones. Thank you for watching and see you again soon.